quick demo on how to create and utilize design kits. What makes design kits stand out is that you can build an entire site locally. Then to get the design systems into our WordPress sites, we just drag and drop our folder into the interface. All of the design systems on our site are available to grab as a starting point for a design kit. So if you've already been building a site using the built-in chat sidebar or MCP connector, you can continue your work with a design kit utilizing the same design system. There is a collection of starter kits to choose from. And you can also just go ahead and download a blank kit. So let's get started, and when we're finished, we'll return to WordPress and check out the design kit. Now follow me over to the Claude Desktop app where I'm in the Code tab. I'm going to drag over my unzipped design kit folder, and I am also adding a folder that has a few screenshots that I want Claude to use for design inspiration. First, I'm adding a prompt that basically just asks Claude to review my files. Now I'm just going to fast track through this. Normally on a production site, we will coach Claude through this. But today I just want to show you the broad strokes. So I'm having the agent build a handful of pages right away. Okay, now that the pages are done, let's import the kit and see what they look like. Design kit pages are all built using custom modules. Here's a look at some of the settings. This is the design system that goes with our kit. So that's an introduction to design kits. Be sure to check out the pre-built design kits. Thanks for watching.